Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding PhD admission in MNIT Jaipur for PhD. This is all about the important dates like a starting date. It is already started from 4th of June. Last date 30th June. Provisional list of shortlisted and eligible candidates for online or offline written test or interview will be displayed on 9th of July. Written test from 26 to 27 and interview from 27 to 28, and final result will be published on 9th of August 2021-22. No separate interview letter will be issued. The mode online or offline of written test and interview will be informed 15 days before the examination. These all are the different category in which you can apply. First one, full-time research scholar. It is there are two subcategories: self-financed with, and second one with institute scholarship. Second, a sponsored full-time research scholar, a sponsored part-time research scholar residing within 70 km of Jaipur. Off-campus research scholar residing outside 70 km radius of Jaipur. Project staff of MNIT Jaipur. These all are the important details. The eligibility for admission, it is given below. ऐसे आपका the minimum eligibility criteria. The admission to PhD program is made in both regular semester. However, admission to MTech are made in semester commencing in July. Here they have given CGPA minimum required is 6.5, and it is relaxed by 5 for SC/ST candidate. MTech and implant full time with assistantship, that is not required. PhD in engineering and technology, they have given the applicant must have master degree in engineering and technology or architecture planning with CGPA not below 6.5 on 10-point scale or 60% CGPA. In exceptional cases, brilliant candidate graduated from CFTI and other institution whose ranking in RF is within 100 with CGPA more than 8 in bachelor degree in engineering or architecture planning may be recommended by DPGC or to SPGB for admission to PhD program. Such candidate having sufficient experience in relevant area and publication in referred conferences or journal as notified by DPGC may also be considered. Same for PhD in Humanity Sciences and Humanities and Social Sciences, 6.5 or 60% marks. For management, same. Science, same. Admission to a sponsored candidate, a candidate who is sponsored for either full-time or part-time studies at MNIT Jaipur by his or her employer and who meets the additional condition specified below may be admitted through department selection committee appointed. They have given a sponsored candidate full-time or part must have total experience of more than 2 years, and in the case of full-time sponsored candidate, he must have in service of a sponsoring organization for at least 1 year at the time of admission. The sponsoring organization must specifically undertake to allow him or her to pursue program for its full duration. The sponsored candidate are required to submit NOC from their employer or organization stating that his official duty permit him to devote sufficient time for MTech or implant or such candidate should give undertaking that he would fulfill all the attendance requirement of all the courses undertaken by him or fulfillment of course pursued. This is for MTech, not for PhD. This is given for PhD, a candidate working in R&D or establishment or in other institution or organization which is equipped with necessary infrastructure. This is for off-campus program. For carrying out research and library facility may be considered by CNET for admission only to PhD program in engineering, architecture and planning, management and science. Such candidate must be sponsored by his or her employer and must have been in employment with a sponsoring organization for at least 2 years. For MTech it is 1 year and for PhD it is 2 years. At the last date of application, the institution eligible for off-campus must be recommended by DPGC and approved by SPGB. Candidate applying for admission to off-campus registration program must provide detailed information about the research facility available at his or her organization and a certificate that these would be available to him or her for carrying out research. She could also provide the biodata of prospective supervisor or coordinator who would supervise or coordinate the candidate's work at his or her organization if required. Financial assistance for PhD programs, it is 31,000 for 2 years and last 3 years 35,000. This is minimum eligible education qualification required for PhD program. Means if you have BE Tech and MEM Tech in relevant discipline, then you can apply. Everything they have given. These all are the different research areas in which department you are going to apply. You have to select your interested one and fill that it in form. These all are the different departments, and right side different areas they have given. It is too long. PhD topic with own scholarship, NET or JRF, etc. So for without a scholarship, if you are applying, then the areas are different. PhD topic without a scholarship only for research personnel presented serving in various projects in MNIT Jaipur. Yes. If you are applying for without a scholarship, then these all are the areas you have to select your interested one. It is for MEM Tech, not required. Seat matrix they have given or not. Yeah. Basis for selection to MTech or implant degree for it's not required. Fees, it is in on website. Important instruction, you have to pay 1,000 for application for general OBC and EWS and 500 for SC/ST category. A scrutiny of application shall be done solely on the basis of information submitted by you in application form, and hence it is fill it very carefully. Attested photocopy, job certificate and testimonial and all original document, PG dissertation, thesis copies should be brought along with application form while coming for admission process. Means you have to go with your all certificates and PG thesis for online or offline interview. These all are the documents, and this is all the important dates, like a starting date 4th July, last date 30. Provisional list of shortlisted candidate will be published on 9th July. Date of written test 26 से 27. Date of interview 27 to 28, and on 9th August they will publish the final result. These all are the different certificate format which you have to fill and take it with during online during admission. This is OBC taking SC/ST certificate format. This is for PWD certificate format. This is disability certificate. So these all are the different certificates you have to take it with during interview and admission. These all are the important email ID and phone number. If you want to inquire about your departments in which you are going to apply or anything related to PhD admission, then you can call or email to HOD. That's all about today's. So share it with friends who want to apply for PhD programs, and if you have not subscribed the channel, at first subscribe as soon as possible. Thank you.